All right, so we're doing something a little different today. So what are we building? A 1985 atc250r. Yep, I was actually supposed to build that bike. Had that bike for like a year. Was actually stored in one of my room in the house. But anyway, I gotta sell it. I'm never gonna ride it, so I don't need it. So I just got it painted. Brand new paint guy. Guy's good shit. I won't lie. Really good shit. He did a great job. My other guy was slacking a bit. He's not the best doing paint. He's good with powder coat, but paint was not good. But the new guy's pretty freaking good. Gold match really well. Did a great job. It's gonna be a nice bike, I won't lie. That's for sure. So yeah. I'm still waiting on a couple parts from the powder coat guy. I'm still gonna get work done from him, but it's gonna be powder only, no paint. So yeah, I'm still missing like the peg, brake pedal, engine support that go in the middle, all the black parts. That's what I'm missing. But anyway, I'm gonna keep you guys posted. As soon as I do progress, I'm gonna pull out the camera and do a video. Anyway, talk to you guys later. All right, decals installed, bushings are installed. Looking great. So I got an OEM train slider with that little plate. I gotta send it to get zinced, but I got it. Brand new TRX 450R bolt with the nut. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. Okay, train slider is on. Well, kinda. That's a temporary bolt. Just so I don't lose that chain slider. So that little pin, I just cleaned it. It's in the zinc button, somewhere in there. Yeah, that's the axle. That's a Banshee axle for my next project. I just installed that TRX 450R swing arm bolt. It's basically bolt on if you guys need one. 400EX, same thing, it worked too. Well, yeah, it's gonna be a nice bike. All right, so we did a whole lot of progress. So a bunch of things are mock-up, but it's getting there. We're getting there. Yep. So I got the swing arm installed. Everything swing arm related is mostly installed. Bumper, gas tank is just mock it. It's got polish it too. Looking good. Handlebars, kill switch, clutch lever. Yeah, gonna be a clean unit. It's gonna be a sweet bike, that's for sure. It already look good. Brand new brake line. Yep, decent. Not gonna lie, I was kind of excited to build that bike, and I'm finally building it. I was supposed to keep it, but no, I can't keep them all, that's for sure. I just can't. So I got pretty much all of the part here. Some parts need to be cleaned. That's the box with all the new parts, OEM parts. Got some more OEM parts from Partzilla. I still gotta clean up the wiring harness, my zinc. Oh, if you guys wonder, because there's 2 seals going there, if you need them, that's the part number. They're not for the 250R, but they're basically the same. I would show you guys, but I already installed mine. A couple extra. Oh yeah, those are the seal you need. Anyway, that's off subject. So I'm just gonna do a bit more work, I guess. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. But as you guys can see, it's gonna be a nice bike. I still need to clean the bottom of that tank. Still some mud and residue, but at least the exterior look good. So wheels are right there. I'm gonna have to put some aftermarket tires. I'm having a hard time with the guy that do those cheetah replica tire. He doesn't want to ship to Canada. I'm real bummed about it. It's been a year. Well, since I bought the bike, I've been trying to buy some tires. He fuck around. He doesn't want to ship to Canada. Anyway, I'm gonna do a bit more work, and I'll get back to you guys shortly. So rear brake are installed. Freshly powder coated pedal. Freshly rebuilt master. Freshly zinc hose. That's the original hose. She's mint now. Everything's zinc, or powder coat, or paint. Pretty damn good if you ask me. Work like it should. Still gotta clean the bolt to remove the tooling mark. But yeah, gonna be a sweet bike. I'll replace those bolts. I had some zinc one, but I bought some OEM one. They're chrome, nice and nice looking. Yeah, I'm gonna do a bit more progress. I got a couple parts to clean, polish, and paint. So I gotta try to polish that. Paint the front master. Well, actually, I got it fully rebuilt. I took it apart, took that little lens out. Calipers, I gotta paint them, and I think I gotta rebuild the rear one. Or is it the front one? Oh, front one. Oh yeah, shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so we did a bunch of progress. Forgot to pull out the camera, but headlight decals installed, skid plate, swing arm. I just installed that OEM skid plate, which is in great shape. The freaking thing was expensive, I won't lie to you. Rear shocks installed, bolt chain roller. Still need to tighten the axle. Freshly zinc painted. Well, yeah, it's gonna be a nice trike. I should stop calling it a bike because it's a trike. Clean unit though. Still need to grind that little Honda so it matches the OEM. Rebuild the complete master. Brand new lens, brand new inside. Everything's brand new in the cylinder beside the casing. Even that little cap's brand new. Bolt, new lever, all new cable. Yeah. Should be able to put it on his wheel this week. Wheels are here, but I still need to dismount it and put the new one. But anyway, that's about it for now, guys.